Ever wondered why your garden plants don't thrive as they should? Could common pests be the culprits? These tiny invaders can wreak havoc on your beloved green space, compromising plant health and stunting growth. But fear not, there are organic ways to combat these pesky invaders. Organic pest control methods are not only effective, but also safe for your garden and the environment. Let's delve into the various ways you can protect your garden from pests organically. First, let's talk about homemade sprays. These are concoctions you can make with items right from your kitchen. Garlic, pepper, or even soap mixed with water can act as a deterrent for pests. Spray it onto your plants, and you'll see a decrease in the number of unwanted visitors. Next, we have beneficial insects. These are bugs that eat the pests harming your plants. Ladybugs, for instance, love to feast on aphids. By introducing these helpful critters into your garden, you're setting up a natural defense system. Now, let's move on to crop rotation. This practice involves changing the location of your crops each season. By doing so, you disrupt the life cycle of pests and prevent them from becoming a consistent problem. Lastly, we have companion planting. This is the practice of planting certain crops together to deter pests. Marigolds and tomatoes are a classic example. The scent of marigolds is known to repel tomato pests, protecting your crop. Remember, organic pest control takes time, but the results are worth it. Not only are you maintaining the health of your plants, but you're also contributing to a more sustainable and healthier environment. So, don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Persistence is key, and Mother Nature will surely reward your efforts. Now that you know the organic ways to keep your garden pest-free, why not give them a try? Embrace the green approach for a healthier, happier garden. Experience the benefits of organic pest control firsthand. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!